In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions in Xero. In this full 2025 tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to get your financial statements uploaded with ease. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be adept at making sure your financial records in Xero are up to date with precision. To begin, let's talk about preparing your file for import. Xero accepts several file formats: CSV, OFX, QBO, and QFX. You'll want to ensure that your file is in one of these formats before proceeding. When setting up your document, make sure you include key columns that Xero requires for transaction identification. These columns should be labeled as date, amount, which should be positive for money coming in and negative for money leaving your account, payee, or description, and optionally you can add a reference column for additional details. This setup helps Xero match and recognize the transactions correctly, facilitating a smoother import process. Once your file is ready, the next step is to navigate to your bank account in Xero. Start from the dashboard and click on Accounting followed by Bank Accounts. Find the specific bank account into which you want to import your statements. After selecting it, go to Manage Account and click on Import a Statement. This will direct you to the section where you'll upload your prepared file. Now, it's time to upload your file. Choose your file from where it's saved on your computer. Once you select your file, Xero may prompt you to match the columns from your document with what it recognizes. Carefully match these so Xero correctly identifies each data point. This ensures the transactions are imported accurately into your records for proper reconciliation later on. After matching, you'll move to the Review and Confirm stage. At this point, Xero will display the transactions as they'll appear once imported. Go through them to ensure everything is as it should be. Look out for any anomalies and rectify them before confirming. This stage is crucial as it's your chance to double check for errors prior to actually importing the transactions. If everything looks correct, go ahead and approve the import. This action will add the transactions to your Xero account, and that's it. You've successfully imported your transactions into Xero. Maintaining accurate digital records is vital for effective financial management, and being able to import transactions efficiently makes your accounting tasks that much easier. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thanks for watching.